Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a drink box. Yeah, that's the best way I can categorize it. So this brand pretty much they were looking for people to share their box. So first of all, let me say this video is not sponsored, but I wanted to share my opinions because long story short, in high school that's when I was first introduced to boba tea, and ever since then, like, I used to go, like, after school, I would go over there because I went to high school in a different city from where I lived. So in my city there was no boba tea. I think I just discovered one place near my home now that sells boba tea, but I haven't tried it from them. But the place that was by my school, when I discovered it in high school, they had boba tea, and then I was like, I love this stuff, it tastes so good. So pretty much, essentially, for those of you guys who never tried boba tea is just like, basically they make the tea and then you can get like the so it's like different stuff like that, tapioca balls, so you can get different ones, whether it's I'm trying to think of the different ones. Oh yeah, so like mango, it'll be like different flavors you can get, and I think I mostly like to get the mango. But anyway, so I saw this brand, and you guys know I'm all for promoting small businesses and all that good stuff, and I was like, you know what, I want to try this. So I've never actually made boba tea myself, so this is going to be interesting. And yeah, so what I will say about this brand, the owner reached out to me and said it was shipped. It only took 2 days. Now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just picked it up today. It's been past 2 days. I just hadn't gotten a chance to get to my PO box, but shipping time was good. 2 days shipping time. And let's get into it. I'm not gonna ramble anymore. The brand is called Mama Bear Boba, and I thought it was so cute. And this is the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and share with you guys what's in the box. So first things first, when I open the box, it says refreshing boba anytime, anywhere, and this is the site. So I will leave everything, of course, in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But this is the card that it came in, and then this is just the steps. Now I'm going to film the part of me actually trying making this. Like I said, I've never made it myself. I've seen the people make it when I would order it, but I've never tried it myself. So this is just going to be very interesting to try to make boba myself at home, because it's been a minute since I had boba. So yes, and then this is just how to make it. So how to make boba using the powder, and then how to use the, yeah, I was right, so they're called tapioca balls. I wanted to make sure I was correct, but I am correct. So there's just different instructions, which is going to be useful and when I do this. And this is like the signature type of straws that you normally get. So yeah, when I used to go to that boba tea place, you get these straws. So they're a little different than the average straw. They're a little chunkier in size, and the holes is different. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but yes. So I've got different colors. I got 5, oh no, sorry. I got about 7 of these. And what's great about this, so my sister and I are actually going to try these because she goes to my high school, so she's also juiced to boba as well. Next thing that came in the package are the different flavors. So the owner actually asked me, did I want like so they have a variety pack, like, so it's already set with the flavors, or did I want to just kind of look in the website and choose my flavors? And I actually decided to choose my own flavors. So the ones that I asked for, so I have coconut, which I don't think I've ever tried a coconut flavored boba tea. Vanilla, I believe I have. And then mocha latte, I've never tried, so I'm very interested in the mocha latte one. And then lastly, mango, which I believe I tried. Oh, I have one more, sorry. Mango. And lastly, banana. I have not tried banana before. So I'm interested in trying that. And then lastly, there's the honeydew milk tea as well. Sorry, I missed the one. I think these are chocolate tapioca balls. I'm not too sure. There's no labeling on it, but these are the same color. this one as well. I think all 3 of these are the same. And then all 3 of these are the same as well. There's different colors that is here. They're the same though. All 3 is the same pretty much. It's like a mixture. But that concludes the unboxing part of this. I will come back for showing you guys how I make one of them. I don't know which flavor I want to try yet.
So, the first thing that I did was actually boil the tapioca balls. So, the instruction says to boil it for 5 to 8 minutes. Stir it when you first put it in, and then put a cover on it. So, that's what I did. And I ended up just doing the whole bowl because I also shared half. I split it in half with my sister. So this is just me showing you guys it actually boiling with the cover on top. Now I decided to do the vanilla. My sister did the banana. She did the coconut. So this is the vanilla. And I just decided to use my mason jar to put it in. So this is what it looks like after, and just says to scoop out the tapioca balls and then let it sit for 30 minutes in some cool water, which I did. The only part I did not show you guys was actually me pouring another thing of hot water. So I just used the kettle and I put let hot water boil, and that's the water that I mixed with the powder, which you see me mixing here. And then I put the tapiocas in, and that's it. Hopefully you enjoy.